Good night, teacher. I present video activity 4, style 5. I am Lisbeth Restrepo Díaz. I am 9 years old. I am Colombian. I've lived on the city of Palmira, Valle del Cauca. I live on my endeavor. I currently work at public service company. I am finished my career as an environmental engineer. I like to listen to music right, enjoy nature and share with my family. Something that I dislike is that people complain all the time and live negative and pessimistic dog. No tell about that trip. A year ago, I was in San Andres Islands. I went for a walk with my family. The trip lasted 5 days. The weather was sunny. I bathed in the sea al playa on the beach. I got on a boat. I also bought several details. And the last day I in the typical dish of the island, it was a unforgettable trip. Future. The next month I am going to Cartagena with my husband and my daughter. We are going to visit to the family. I'm going to buy the plane tickets tomorrow. We are going to fly on December 5th. We are going to stay there for a week. We are going to spend time in the beach in the morning. In the afternoon, we are going to buy something to the downtown of the city. We are going to visit history places and restaurants. At night, we are going to have dinner in my cousin's house. After that, we are going to talk about the family. And then we are going to sing together. I am sure we are going to spend great moments with my family. Thank you.